Hey everybody, it's Margo here at My Favorite Quilt Store. And I wanted to share with you this Trixie quilt from Riley Blake. It is so much fun. It is 63 by 76 and it looks like that completely finished, which is really a lot of fun. It uses the Gingham Garden collection, which has some mustard and blue colored fabrics in it that are florals. It's just a beautiful collection. It kind of is a little retro, has a little retro feel to me. As you can see, it's this mustard yellow, which is really, really nice. It's light. And then with these beautiful blue florals, stripes, plaids, dots. And again, it goes all the way to navy with the same things, words, and then this light blue, kind of a dusty blue in there to give you that a look at that. It comes with everything you need as far as the pattern, colored pattern to show you how to make the quilt. So Trixie is the pattern, and then this is the beautiful background. It's got kind of a light blue pattern on a cream background. It's got navy words for an inner border, and then the binding is the blue. So this has everything you need inside it to make this quilt. It is a beautiful mustard, cream, light blue, and dark blue quilt kit. I think it's going to be lots of fun to do. It's got some beautiful florals in here. Again, it's called Trixie, and it's by Riley Blake, and I think it's going to be a very fun quilt to make. Happy quilting!